Hey friends, my name's Angela and I'm with Midlife Cruising. My husband and I live full-time on a residential cruise ship, and on this channel, Villa Vie Odyssey Rentals, we share rooms for rent. We are not property managers, we are not realtors. We are connecting owners with potential renters. So you must reach out to the owner and negotiate or speak with them, and then sometimes they even have a property manager, and I'll list those in the description below. So let's show you today's room for rent. Here we have 6033. It's deck 6. This is forward, the front of the ship, and it's a very unique design for an interior. Notice it has no rooms around it, so it's extra private. You can be extra loud in there and no one will hear you. We're very close to the forward elevators and stairs. It's also a walk back to the main buffet, all on the same deck. So let's go check out 6033. Okay, let's go in and check out 6033. Here we are in a nomad's dream. If you want to work aboard a residential cruise ship, this might just be the perfect room for you. This screen comes all the way over here, and I'll show that to you shortly. Since we filmed this last, we have brand new wallpaper. Looks lovely. Remember, this is an interior with quite a different layout. Check this out. New super sturdy bed frame. Lights galore. But if you want to work, this is the place. Even if you just want to come for fun. It's a great setup here. Mini fridge, nice deep closet space, goes all the way back. There's a safe, much bigger than most closets. There's a second one over here. This one is available for 30 plus days. Here's the restroom with tons of magnetic storage. He even added a little makeshift bidet. You want a bidet? All the things. So let's go ahead and move this so you can see how far over this comes. This is one of those big old screens all the way over here. I need two hands, but you can see you could really get some work done here. Of course, this TV here swivels all the way, each direction. To the bed. You can completely turn it. Two people could fit in here comfortably. One of you can work, one of you can relax. Which one are you? So this gentleman has a website, and we will put the website up here on the screen. He prefers to rent 30 days or more, but you can go right to his website, see the prices, see the available dates, reach out and see if you can come join us on the Villa Vie Odyssey. Look at that, a fireplace. He's thought of it all. Perfect temperature. Remember, we are not property managers, nor are we realtors. We are connecting owners to potential renters. I always recommend sharing the price, but that is up to the owners. Thanks for watching, and remember, reach out to the owner and come join us. In our description, we have a link to the itinerary so you can see where we'll be in the world for your desired dates.